I'm utilizing this is from the Milwaukee wrench here. So I found the center and I created the center line across the table. And just basically brought it up to the end here. So when you move it, it'd just be enough bumper to go in. And then I'll be making the hole in there. The corners, I gotta do a miter cut, right? So I gotta do the miter cut on the bumpers. And these bumpers are just enough to give a little bit of a. So the table right now is not level, but this one, it goes on a regular table that will be level. It should work out. Okay, now to do the miter cuts here. Just gonna take these already marked these. Just gotta cut the things here. That. Don't want to lose my cut line. Let's get fitted together now. Like that. Then take the bumper maker, cutter outliner. That. Don't want to lose my cut line, but raise it up like this. There's my miter cut line. It's a little crude, but that's the way it is sometimes. Crude, but it's gonna work. It's gonna be fun too. Homemade pool table. All right. As it gets more refined, it'll start looking. So I get more into the refinement of building my next one. This is just the first one. This is the prototype. Prototype build. Let's do the cutouts. Don't mind the garage door making sounds. Kind of. This looks like that right there. This would be a bumper right there. Probably. Well, this will be scooted back somewhat. All right, and over here, okay, over here, cut zone. All right, now to make the miter cuts, or not the miter cuts, but the holes in the table. So, gonna do first get my safety glasses on.